Hey folks, cooking with Kelbob here in my ordinary kitchen with produce from my ordinary grocery store. And today we're going to do something quick. We're going to do something simple. I think many of you have watched our travels all over the United States where we're trying such great food everywhere. And today I'm going to do something real simple. I'm going to fry the ordinary plantain. Oh, fried plantains. What do you think, Grill Dog? Speaking of Grill Dog, of course, along with me is my ordinary Grill Dog, Sherman. Whoa, you missed it. Here, let's try that again. Ordinary Grill Dog, Sherman. Good boy, buddy, good boy. You ready to fry some plantains? So, you know, as I've been out on the West Coast, I've been trying all the great food and especially the great produce they have, and I've really grown to love plantains, right? Plantains, you know, ripe are in the banana family, not a lot of difference except, you know, when you buy these things green, and if you've ever been to a Brazilian steakhouse or eaten a lot, you know, maybe in the South Miami area, they serve a lot of fried plantains versus fried potatoes. So I did a little research, and unfortunately, this isn't a real health option to fried potatoes. Calorie count is the same, fat count is the same. Probably a little more fiber in plantains than there are in ordinary potatoes. But anyways, we're going to fry some up and try it. Real simple. We're just heating our oil to 350 degrees. And I've got a candy thermometer in here, and I'm not going to pull it out and show you. But I always fry with a candy thermometer because just about anything you fry, you're going to want that temperature at 350 degrees. So these plantains, the green ones work better to fry with. And I'm going to try to slice them up consistently here. And then, and my oil is, it's just right, a little short of 350. No breading, no anything. We're just going to drop them in the oil and fry them like potatoes. Spread them out a little bit here. And so, you know, you can't really see the difference in a plantain and a banana other than it has the word plantain on it. And when they're green, they don't peel very well. So I take a paring knife and just sort of slit down the side and pull the husk open. A lot of times you see them just fried, you know, they just core them in half. I'm cutting mine up into chips. So these have fried about 3 or 4 minutes. I can feel them hard. I'm going to go ahead and just scoop them out of my oil and let them drain. So if there's any moms at home and are looking to an alternative to French fries, this is something you should probably try. So after they've drained a little bit, I'm going to hit them with a little salt. My second favorite vegetable. And then we are going to have a taste titillation. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. Grill Dog, you want to try a plantain? Want to try one? Huh? That is delicious. Oh my God. Folks, kids will love them, adults love them, grill dogs love them. Next time you're looking for an alternative to fried potatoes, grab a couple plantains. I bought these at Ghetto Walmart, 88 cents each. Dropped them in 350 degree oil, put a little salt on them, and I had a wonderful culinary experience. Kelbob, out.